Hello and welcome to this video. I'm excited to share with you the latest insights and updates in the world of ChatGPT. Whether you're an expert or just starting to explore this fascinating field, I believe you'll find this video informative and engaging. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into ChatGPT together. ChatGPT, the powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI. Today, we'll be exploring this cutting-edge technology and learning about its many applications and capabilities. ChatGPT is based on a transformer architecture and has been trained on a massive amount of text data, making it capable of generating human-like text and answering questions with great accuracy. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and machines. ChatGPT can be used to generate realistic and human-like text for a variety of purposes, including chatbots and virtual assistants. By using this technology, companies can provide customers with instant and personalized responses to their inquiries. Another impressive feature of ChatGPT is its ability to answer questions with great accuracy. It can be used to provide quick and reliable answers to a wide range of queries, from simple fact-based questions to more complex and open-ended ones. ChatGPT can be used to translate text between different languages, making it possible for people to communicate and understand each other even if they don't speak the same language. This technology has the potential to break down language barriers and bring people closer together. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to generate creative writing, such as poetry and fiction. This technology can help writers overcome writer's block and generate new ideas, making it a powerful tool for creative professionals. That concludes our video about ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language generation model developed by OpenAI. I hope you found this video informative and learned something new about this exciting technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.